Hi my friends, I'm Antonios, and in this video I will show you how to find the sum for the two teams. If you remember from the previous lesson, we have a layout like this one, and we can paste here a number for the first team and here another one for the second team. If we click go, we have a row with two columns, first column with one text view, second column with this text view, and we want to add the numbers of each column, and the sum we want to put it in the first row, in the columns of the first row. So let's go to code, first to starting XML code, and if you remember, in the table row we have the two views here, the first text view with name TV score 1 and the second text view with name TV score 2, and in there we want the results, the sum of each column. So let's go to coding, to starting Java. First we want two variables text views. Let's name it result 1 for the first text view of the column, and result again for the second text view of the column. So here we have to set the result 1 equal find you by id r.id dot sorry I'm going to dot id dot, and as we see it is the TV score 1, this one. That's it for the first step. So let's copy this one for the text view, the second text view, and the variable here. Result 2, we have a mistake here, result 2, sorry for that. We are okay now, and we go down to the go button. When we click the go button, we have the new row. So here we have to fix the code, and we need an int variable. Let's name it sum, and this variable will be equal with from result 1 to get the text, as you see it here, to string. Okay, we have a problem, yes, because we have a type mismatch. As you see, you cannot convert from string to int because we have a variable int here, so we have to use from integer class a method called pairs int. So the string, we will make the string, so we take the text from the result 1 from the text view, we make it we change it to integer, and we paste it into a variable called sum. The sum has to be equal with the sum plus score n, which is the text of every row in the first column in our table. So plus score 1. I have the same problem, so we have to make it integer in this one, so we can add it, and in here we can use score 1. And finally, for the first column, we want the result 1 to change the text for result 1. So result 1 dot set text, enter, and because the result takes the set text takes a string variable, we can do a trick here. We start with a null string, and then we add the sum variable, and this way it's a trick that we make to have an integer like string, and we can put it as text in TextView, and not only. So I think we are okay for the first column. Let's try to see if it's running or we have a problem. And here is the result. We can put a number for the first edit text. We put the number 23, click go. You see the number here, the sum here. Let's put another one, 34, click here, you see the sum here and the number here. That's it. Let's go to fix and the second one with the same way. We can use the same variable sum, yes, sum, but we can copy it first. Control C, copy it here, paste it, delete the int, we don't need to do that again, and from here we have the result, second result, score 2, result 2, and I think that we are okay. Control S to save and run it again to see if we finish the program. Run as Android application, click on the emulator, click OK, and we wait to see the result. Okay guys, here is the result. Let's put a number here and another one here. Click go. Second in the first team, second team, and you can see the results here. That's it for this lesson. Thank you for watching. Hope I see you again. Have a good night or day.